Hey, it's Tech, and today I'm reviewing an M.2 NVMe USB enclosure from Lexar, theoretically, but this was from Aliexpress, so I'm expecting it to be probably a knockoff. Most of the information here is in Chinese, if you want to take a look at it. I bought it because it was cheap and I also needed an enclosure, and I'm willing to take the risk of it being potentially fake. They put tape here to protect it from being opened. Here we have a USB-C to C cable. We have the drive enclosure with a protective rubber outside, and it looks pretty sturdy. And this is a button to open it, and it could handle different drive sizes. It's keyed for M.2 NVMe, so it won't work with SATA. And it's meant for hard drives, and it's meant for SSDs and not other peripherals. And it comes with a little piece to kind of notch it in place. And if you look closely, there's the little enclosure and the hardware that's running it. Okay, so let's put it in. For about like $16, it's plastic, but it seems pretty like decent quality for the build, at least. Although the nub is not so compliant. So the drive also includes two backup nubs, which is useful because they're quite small and easy to lose. In addition to the USB-C cable, it doesn't have instructions or anything else. So let's hope it works. There. Appears to only fit in one way, and then you could use the switch to pop it out. The cable is unbranded, and it comes with a Velcro loop, which is nice to have. And I'm going to plug it into the computer, and I'll verify that it works. The device actually shows up in Device Manager, and it's using the Lexar E300 USB device. I have a motherboard that doesn't have USB-C, so I'm using an adapter, so the speeds will probably be limited by that more than the drive. But on the package it says USB 3.2 Gen 2, so it should be pretty fast. Although it says 10 gigabytes per second here. I have a basic drive that came with my laptop, so it will definitely have lower speeds than the drive reader advertises. Here I just checked in PowerShell that the smart reporting is all right for all my hard drives, and it means that they detect them fine, which is a good sign.